When you open the Nintendo eShop on your Switch 2, if it says Nintendo eShop is not currently available in your country or region, then here's how you can get eShop from anywhere around the world. What you need to do is open a browser on either your PC or smartphone and go to accounts.nintendo.com. After that, make sure you have logged in with the same account that you're having the issue with. Then from the account settings page, click on user information and you'll be able to see your current country or region which is not supported. So, to change that, edit user information. Now open the drop-down menu for country or region. You can see the list here. Now just change it to a country that supports eShop. We'll just select United States. Now you need to tap on Save Changes. On this page, you'll need to hit Agree. And you're done. Now you can go back to your Switch 2 and try to relaunch Nintendo eShop. Let's select the same account that had the error. After that, you'll need to log in once again. And you can just scan the QR code, but we'll enter the password manually. And finally, you'll see the Nintendo eShop will start loading, and you'll have no issues installing and playing games on your Switch 2. Hope you found this useful. Enjoy!